Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, remote keyless entry, halogen headlamps, rear stabilizer bar, 160 amp alternator, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front stabilizer bar. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.